Alright guys, it's Unbox Wednesday, but today is going to be a bit different because I am not unboxing something. It's actually unpackaging. I'm unpackaging a bag of silver and gold. Well, not gold. A bag of silver that I got. And the difference with this is it's not from Atmex. It's not from JM Bullion. It's not from any online retailer. I decided to switch it up a little bit today and actually do an unboxing from or unpackaging from a local coin shop. Yes, I know, a local coin shop. So today I'm gonna be unpackaging, I gotta keep saying that. I'm gonna be unpackaging, I think the price was, hold on, let me see, where's that lucky paper with my receipt in it? Let's see, $100. So I went to the local coin shop with $100 and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly everything I brought. Now, with the same $100, I could have went online. I just didn't feel like waiting, to be honest with you. But the premium on these were a bit high, but it doesn't matter because, like I said, I'm stacking for the long term. So I could be 65 and I still own these pieces, okay? And matter of fact, my son could be 30 and if I'm not no longer around, he'll be owning these pieces, or my daughter or my family. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna show you, but honestly, I prefer buying online, and I know some people like, oh, online, you know, there's paper trail. You don't want to have paper trail. They much rather go to a local coin shop and do all that. Now, if you were to buy the same thing at a local coin shop, the same thing you buy online, of course, it'll be cheaper. But if you use a credit card, they charge you a processing fee. So everywhere you go, there's no avoiding the processing fee. I think it was a 3.5 processing fee, a 3.5% processing fee. So I'm rumbling on. Let's get into this. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a thumbs up, comment down below. Hit me up on my social media platform. Links are found in the description below. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future video. Oh man, I gotta breathe. Let's go.
Working for work and grind.
Alright, so we're just gonna dump it all here on the table here and see everything I got. The bag is empty, as you can see. Nice bag as well, I ain't gonna lie, it's cool. But like I said, I have a tradition I like to do with the packaging itself, and that's throw it on the floor. Alright, so first thing we got here is this empty plastic flipper thingy thing right here. Oh my, this thing was absolutely free. They gave it to me for free. Ain't this amazing? Like, imagine what this is gonna be worth in the near future. OMG. All right, let me stop playing. All right, I got 4 coins. For some reason, they don't have no bars there, so all they have is coin. I gotta check out another one. I got this buffalo, but this is not a real buffalo. It's just a silver buffalo, but not real minted. I don't know what they call it. All right, but not the actual buffalo. And you guys can actually see the difference is that they're actually small. Matter of fact, let me actually get a real buffalo here. This is the real actual American buffalo, and this one is just the design on there. And if you guys can see, let me get in a better angle here. This head is bigger than this one, and this is the fake one. Well, it's not really fake, it's still real silver, but this is the actual American buffalo. Now, this is not in the unboxing. I'm just gonna show you guys what I was trying to do at first. This is an actual American eagle, and this is a sunshine American eagle. Now you can tell that this one is not the real one. It's still real silver, guys, all right? But you can see this mark right here makes it not real. And the fact that it is smaller than the actual, still weighs, let me see here. Yeah, still weighs about the same. Okay. So there you go. Still weighs an ounce. You know, now I'm weighing gold and silver, you know, making sure I get ounces. But 6 years ago, I was calculating ounces, but I was calculating ounces in a totally different method, a totally different product, if you guys know what I mean. But anyways, that's just a backstory there. So it just shows that I'm improving. All right. So what did I show you guys? I showed you guys this buffalo. I think I have 2 of them. I got this one right here. 1 ounce, beautiful baby right there. And then I got a Liberty Bell right here. Just a regular generic. There's nothing to it. Liberty Silver. All right. And then Now for the real thing, I got me a Silver Eagle. I love Silver Eagle for some reason. I don't know. And then last but not least, I got me some Mercury dimes. I got 3 Mercury dimes, so I'm gonna add that to my junk silver that I actually have. But pretty much, I think this one is pretty much done there. So I'm gonna fill this up. I might need to get a whole new tube. I just brought this last week, guys. I mean, maybe I am going too hard, you know? But it doesn't matter. Right there. And yeah, to be honest with you, nope, I'm not gonna put this one in there. I'm gonna put this one in there, even though I like the casing for this one for some reason. But matter of fact, I changed my mind. Ha. I'm always changing my mind. I'm putting this one here. Right there. So I have 2 of them filled up. And now I gotta order another one of these. Alright. I have 1 tube that's made for bars filled up, and I'm working on the other one, and I don't even think I'm almost halfway through with the other one, so I got to get my bar games up. But I'm done with this one. So in the recaps, I got me regular rounds, and then I got me 1 ounce American silver, and I got me 3 Mercury dimes, and that's all for 100. Now, like I said, I could have went online and brought more. Could have got gold and probably the same amount of coins, and well, the same amount of rounds. Doubt it, I would, but still, same thing. I would have been able to get way more online, but to be honest with you, I didn't want to wait. I just decided to. And I have so much boxes on the way, and I just decided to switch it up for this week. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys gain some value, and not pretty much some value, like gain an understanding on how you guys want to buy, or maybe buying online or buying through a local coin shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, leaving a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a wonderful day. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands.
That's why I work.